My name is Ernie Jansen. I work for Make Plus as a trades researcher in the CARI Lab. Today we're in the CNC zone and we'll talk about the 5-axis CNC. Now CNC stands for Computer Numerical Control, which means that the computer, through primarily numbers, controls this piece of equipment. Much like the manual machines, in the manual machines, your brain is controlling your hands to control the equipment. Here, the computer, through numbers, controls the equipment. So I consider this academic machining. Here we have the VF5 TR, which is a 5-axis machine. It has the XYZ axes from the Cartesian coordinate system. It also has an A and a B, which is a trunnion and a turntable. And I can demonstrate those. This is your X-axis, your Y-axis, and your Z-axis. That is the common 3-axis machine for manual mills and CNCs. And this one also has an A-axis, which is a trunnion, and a B-axis, which is a turntable. It can also be run simultaneously, all 5 axes at the same time. On this machine, what we're doing is basically running subtractive manufacturing. We take a block of material, raw material, and we remove material to get the components that we want. For prototype work, where we have specialized parts, this will give us the creativity to create anything that we would like to establish. We have a baby comber that has a lot of mechanical parts in it, and if we can't buy things off the shelf, we have to create them from scratch. So this machine allows us to use multiple materials: aluminum, steel, brass, plastic, wood, anything to create what we need for the prototypes.